Hello, everyone. Good morning, good day, good night, and whatever place that you are. Welcome to the Moonverse. And today is the week one that we update about AI versus manual trading. Well, we all know that we are currently having a AI versus manual trading kickstart, and my opponent it's the manual trading, Austin. So we are having this 1 year program that is like having 6K on AI side, 6K on manual trading side, and we want to see who will win this race. Okay, so I'm going to do some updates about the whole week, and we actually still formulate which are the better way that you guys are able to read. So let's dive in and to see how and what is today's result for the whole week. Okay, let me share my screen over here. We can see that the amount of money that the whole week is happening in three strategy. So what we're doing here, later I'll show you all on the live app. So this actually started from the first, like if I don't know, it's like 15, is it? Yes, October of 15 is the day one that we have, and today when I record this video is 21st. So actually back that to yesterday. So it's like 1 week cycle. And we are doing this one whole year program. That means we will have 52 weeks. I just break it down for you guys to see. Each strategy is $2,000. And why we break it down into this way, such manner, is because we want to diversify the risk. Each strategy will have different token setting. So we will share with you all on details, but this is let you all know that how we read the chart. So first of all, let's see Bull AI. Over the past 1 week, we actually have 78 orders, 99% winning rates, and actually total up $17.55. And this one is haven't deduct the 20% commission from the AI trading bot. And 22.84 cents is on AI strategy, 91 order and 100%. And unfortunately, yesterday we got one stop loss, which is on ApeCoin. So the market volatile is quite huge. Usually the highest and up and down is better for us because we're taking profit on both sides. So like for example, today, Bitcoin is actually at $69,000 and actually dropping down to $67,000. So with this up and down, tomorrow, which is today, we actually will get a very good profit because it's very volatile. The only thing that we get stop loss is one direction up all the way, just like the app coin. So later we look at the chart and we can see it. So once we hit right, the first thing first, you actually hit stop loss. And secondly, it's like you are able to claim the 20% of the stop loss. Why? Because we are so confident that as long as you follow our setting, anything goes wrong according to the market, our AI bot trading, which is contact to you, will top up the 20% for you. Why we do that is because we want to let you know that you are not alone and we're actually working with you and help you to recover fast. So as we can see over here, if you get stop loss 20%, that means you're able to claim about 60 plus. It's like at 240 around that side. So that you just need to recover back from the profit. And we want to see how fast can we recover back the profit, which is a very good case because week one we already get one stop loss. When I started, right, before we share all these things to our community, we actually do a lot of like a lot of testing, many setting, and I got stop loss. I still remember that two stop loss. Number one is Solana, 20 plus over dollar, it go all the way up to 70, $80. So you actually will get a stop loss. And secondly is running on Matic. So these two, when I get it, I was like, oh my god, is making a loss. But it's very fast. 1.5 months later, I actually recover because back then the profit margin is still high. So it depends on your amount of money, how much you have. It help you to recover faster. If you 2,000 doesn't matter because you got two more accounts to cover back the losses. So let's see the other part of the area. Just to add on, guys, stop loss is not something is bad. Stop loss is actually a trading. I would say there is a SOP, standard operating procedure, that you need to have. If not, your account will get burned. So why is so powerful with this AI trading? Because it set a stop loss so that your whole account will not get burst. And when we diversify the risk, right, it will actually easy to use other profit to cover back the losses. And from our experience over the past years, that what we look at it, right, as long as there's about have a few occasion. Some people 1 whole year they did not get stop loss. It depends on when you enter, when you exit, how much is the lot size, because some lot size is bigger, some lot size is smaller, and some didn't get stop loss for the 1 whole year. Some got 4 stop loss a year. But overall, even though they get 4 stop loss, they're still making money. So just prepare yourself that, okay, if I get stop loss, how fast can I recover back the funds? Therefore, the smaller size that you have, the recovering is slower. If you have bigger account, the recovering is higher. Let me explain. If you got $6,000 account, every month you're actually making like about $600 to $700, okay, estimate. If let's say you get a stop loss is like $1,000, contact to you, the AI platform will top up a 20% if you follow the standard setting, okay, which is now we do quick setup, and they will claim 20% for you. Therefore, you are making a loss of $800. So when this happen, how much is profit that you have? Type it beside below if you know. It's about $600 to $700, correct? So you're still making a loss at about $200. So what will happen next? You will have profit on that month, and you only cover back by maybe the first week or second week. So you only burn one, but you recover back within 1.5 months, right? So if 1 year is 12 times, even get 4 stop loss, it's still okay, because the rest of the 5 months you are making profit as well. So if you are making $600 a month times 5 months, your $6,000 is making $3,000. So non-financial advice, this is based on estimations, okay? This is not official statement, but it's just based on all the account that we have on hand with our user that share with us. This is the amount that is you will be looking into it. The negative from the, let's see, the negative of here is 324, but overall the profit is still there, because you see that it actually negative, but you still have profit to cover back. So you're gonna see along the way how much and how fast we can recover. So 140 plus just under $80 that is recover back. So it's total about 200 plus. So in fact, we're actually losing on $100. But let's see, because we're having 1 whole year, and we must see whether how much and is it justified for us to use AI to trade. And we can see over here, the profit is $79 over here within few days. So we just click on it, because there's a different portfolio. We can dive in one by one. As you can see that we started from, oh, the 9, this one is just on testing, but the officially running is on 14, correct? So let's see another one over here. Yeah, it's 14 night that we kickstart. It's here also. Yeah, so you see every single day there's profit. That's most important. Yep. And each account over here, we can actually see the balance. When you click over here, you can see there's Kenny TV 1, 2, 3, and it's all linked to Bybit. So you can see now it's 2028. Okay. And number 2 is another 2030. And on the other side, we're actually on down because it's 2K per account. So now it's 1686. But it's okay. We will see how fast we put, and let's check on our wallet. Wallet still got $1,000 over. Now this is how we check on the daily. That's how we run on it, just like that. So you can see the day 7. This is the daily activities that we showcase to everyone. You can see like day 7, and on the other side, you can see that we actually break it down. So the first one is Bull AI strategy. The second one is AI strategy, and the third one is volume strategy. Volume strategy is not open to public. It's actually on our whitelist user right now. So that if you haven't used, don't worry. Next time when it actually open up, then you can see. So that's about the update. And let's check it out on the what's happening on the market. And we must see that every time that we have on the market, as long as the market is very volatile, usually I like to use crypto bubble and see, because it's quite engaging. Let's see the market right now. If not, usually I'll use trading view to see what's going on. You can see this today. Okay, wow, now it's down. It was actually go up quite high for ApeCoin, you see, go all the way up $1.74. So many people in the community get stop loss. what a day. So hour, or maybe you just check 1 whole week. 1 whole week, ApeCoin actually go up to 95%, you see? From 69 cents all the way to $1 plus. So with this up and down, it actually will affected. But it doesn't matter. That's how we actually protected our funds in contact to you. And this thing compare with all this stuff, right? If you look at it, what is the benefit? Do I spend time to do all the trading? The answer is no. I spend zero time on the whole trading. I just only go in and see, okay, how much do I make today? So there's the three things: how much we are making profit, and what are the token balance, anything happen, and stuff like that. So yeah, and Aku is on holiday. That's why he didn't trade and he wanted to be very, very careful. So if you want to follow our whole journey, you all can actually go to our website and we actually will put out all the details about this challenge. It's AI versus manual trading challenge. You can see Aku is here. Then if you want to receive and join our team, you can just key in your information and we will send you some of the results and stuff like that. We're actually explaining what this is about. And over the past year, we actually grow our community to 100,000. Thank you very much for following us. And we use AI to trade more than 500 million over the past year. And this challenge is 365 days. And if we have put out why you join this and what are the results, stuff like that, why is it important? Who is this for? And we wanted to share with you, if you want to learn AI, you can actually join us so I can teach you all how to use AI to trade as well. Okay, if you're ready to join, you can just go inside because over the past year, we actually have 90,000 over winning users and all-time profit is this amount. Okay, there's too many zero, so you gotta check it out. Okay, so while we're going to see all the FAQ, you can check, or if not, you may be interested in the below two topic. Number one is our AI trading pass. So you can just click in and see. It's very limited slot. It's more like a membership that we are actually giving you different on airdrop tokens and passive income and upcoming many events as well. So the ROI is pretty huge. And secondly, if you want to learn how to use AI to trade, you can actually go inside here and click and follow us. And if you want to join into the community, there's a few ways. Number one, you can join our nas.io/moonhunter. From there, actually, you can join into our Discord. Yep. And we will send you some of the new informations and things. And after that, if you are into Facebook, you can join our Facebook group, which is pretty new here. We just try to consolidate all the information in one roof so that you can see that, oh, okay, this is today's challenge. So usually daily what we'll do, we'll share on the daily basis. What is the results? Do we have any stop loss? So I'll add a stop loss over here so we'll know that the total profit is how much. And if Aku is back, he will actually update as well. We will see. And I only will show the day total how much. And only every week, right, I will actually show this chart so they can see the overall 1 week is how much. And after that, I'll do an up-to-date one. You all can see. But because on Bybit, we only can monitor for the past 6 months. So later on, we will just moving forward accordingly. So as you can see that this is the amount that is having over here. So the past 7 days, okay, is 324 after we offset the profit and we go by 30 days. Usually when we see the actual amount is usually used Bybit is better. So you can see total profit closing order is 192. And why is still 100%? Just take note because out of 192 jobs, okay, it's only one job that is losing money. That's why you actually round up because they cannot put 99.9999%. So if like a lot, then it will be just like the bull AI. Let me show you. So you can see that this is total amount, which is started from $2,000. Now we are slightly down, but you can see that today's profit is $10. I'm going to log out and show you the rest of the account AI. So we actually put it on sub account so that you can have different account to use. Okay, we just go by second account, what AI strategies. So AI strategies is so far is one of the very good strategy that we have been using. So you see today's profit is $23. So all these things, I don't have to go inside and do all the trading. We just do a quick one. You can see that all the positions is over here. That's all automatic trading. And you can see the results over here. We can see trading history, view trading performance. We go to the preps and future. So you can see the 7 days is 22.84, which is all these things I already screenshot. And because it's 8 days, I just put 30. So you can see that this is a total profit. 132 orders, 100% winning rate. So all these things we are using low risk. So that means you will not get wiped out your account unless the whole crypto market is suddenly down. If not, the more volatile is better. Okay, we can see that the amount here, you can see now is 2029, the wallet balance. So the rest of it is floating at $15. So you can see the risk level is very, very low. Okay, let me go to the other side. And the reason again why we break it down into three, because we want to diversify the risk. So we are using 3 different strategy to run. Okay. And the other one is Bull AI. Bull AI strategy, in fact, is good when it's bull market because they will open long position more and short position are lesser. Okay. Just go to the preps and future. You see the 30 days. Okay. We only doing the 8 days now. So 132 order, 99%. So you can see that it's not 100% because there's some order is actually closed. So all these things good is like they will automatic open and close position for us. We don't have to go in and do anything. We just only see that, oh, okay, how much we are making today. And we can use it on our contact to your account. So that should be all. And if you want to join us again, like just now I share those, our network and all the chat group, all these stuff, just come inside. And I'll update you guys on the next week and every day. Do not miss out on the daily updates. If you have any questions or what, you can just come inside and ask us and participate. Take a friend, invite a friend to join our AI versus manual trading. So I'll see you guys next week.